All right, I just want to show you guys this failed French drain system. So the pipe was down at a decent depth, but the problem was it wasn't wrapped. They didn't put a good wrap around the trench to hold the stone in with the pipe with a sock on it. Now it's garbage pipe, but that's beside the point. Look at all the dirt that's in with the pea stone. There's no more air. You're not circulating any air. So this thing is constantly soaking wet. What happens when something lies in the dark and it's soaking wet all the time? Spores grow, mold and mildew, iron ock. The list is long. So this is why we build our systems with nice 1.5-inch round rock. And this is why we also run 2 perforated pipes minimum at the bottom of our trench. I always talk about drying out your trench, leaving it dry. Build it so that it can dry out. The peanut pipe holds moisture. Pea stone holds moisture. It is too, look at that, too fine, too tight. It always comes full of sand and dirt. It's going to stay wet. It's never going to dry out. When you build a system to where it dries out, guess what? You don't have issues with this system growing all kinds of things in the dark. And when you're moving a lot of air, there's a thing called air pruning the roots. Air pruning. So we got that tree right there. I'm not worried about it with one of our systems because we move so much air. Any roots that try to get in during the rainy season, we're moving so much air that when summer comes and everything's drying up, the roots fall off. They turn to dust. They turn to dust and just drop. That's called air pruning. So build your system for air pruning. Make sure you don't do this. Again, this is what that peanut pipe does, and this is what the pea stone does. So look, man, if you're going to hire the Chuck in a truck, you're going to have to hire me later down the road, is what I'm trying to say. And I would rather see you skip the expense of the failed system, because we've proven this time and time again. And I'm just going to start showing you guys more failure. You know, everybody wanted completes from A to Z. Hey, stop just doing small little videos. They wanted, you know, these 30-minute videos. They want to see everything, every detail from A to Z. I want to see the full installation. But you know what? We're getting back to some of this because we have a lot of new subscribers and they have missed out on what we talked about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, okay? So we're going to get caught back up. We're going to get everybody on the same page. I don't want to see anybody using pea stone or the peanut pipe. It's a failed experiment. We already know that. So why are we still coming to homeowners rescue? They got failed system. Their yard is swampy. Everything's nasty. We dig it up. It doesn't drain because of the way it was built. It was built to fail. So we're running a 6-inch. Look at that big corn tap. So, and that was a really thick storm basin as well. Let me get a little closer here for you guys. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our pipe in, and then we'll use hydraulic concrete around that corn tap. We'll do it right. We'll seal it up right. All right, everybody. Until that next video.